How to make better decisions. Have you ever had trouble making decisions or wondering what the right decision would be? Now, what I want you to do is I want you to watch to the end, because I've got some takeaways for you that I know are going to be helpful to you. Indecisiveness can make you miserable. It really can. Now, here's a story that I think would be helpful to you. Let's say that you went into an ice cream shop, like most of us do. Maybe not all of us, but most of us go in there. And what we do is that we go in there and we find, if we went to Baskin Robbins, we'd find 31 flavors of ice cream that are in there. You know, the hardest time that people have is once they start asking, well, let me have a taste of this, or let me have a taste of that, or let me just try this. And finally, 10 minutes later, after they've tried 3 or 4 ice creams, they say, oh, well, you know what? I'll just have a scoop of vanilla in a cup. Isn't that the way that happens all the time? Because of indecisiveness, they can't make a decision. I knew a girl one time that actually she gave me this thought, is that indecision, or let's say confusion, is the result of refusing to make a decision. That's what confusion is. We see confused people about everything that they do in life. Why? Because they refuse to make decisions. Just like the ice cream store, where what you do is you start asking yourself, well, should I get that flavor? Should I get a cone? Should I get a bowl? Should I just get a little cup? What do you think I should get? Decisions everywhere. They're everywhere. I'm telling you, decisions are everywhere. Now, for some that are watching this, it might be easy for you to be able to choose because you have your ice cream flavor, you know which one that you really like, and you're going to simply stick to what you know. Now, for some people, that's really true, but that's not true for all people. Now, the struggle of an indecisive person is real. Now, throughout a decision process, any decision process that a person has, from choosing an ice cream flavor, a car, a person, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, we start to undermine or we start to second guess ourselves. Now, we tend to be hard on ourselves. Being indecisive is a subconscious way of you and I facing off with decisions that we really need to make. It's not the fact that we don't need to make them, because we really do. Now, wait, don't go just yet. Because here are those takeaways that I told you, these keys that I told you I was going to give you. Number 1 is limit your options. When you go in the ice cream store of life, don't have 31 flavors that you look at. Actually boil them down before you get there. I'm either going to get this, or I'm going to get this, or I'm going to get this. Because it's simpler to make a decision when you have 3 options rather than 31 options. Number 2 is draw the line between good and bad and between right and wrong. Refuse to do wrong no matter what it is. Actually, that it's no longer a decision for you anymore, because remember, confusion is the result of the refusing to make a decision. You make a decision. If this is right, it's got an opportunity or an option. But if it's wrong, I'm not doing it. If it's good, it's got an option. If it's bad, I'm not doing it anymore. You see, whenever you're having a difficult time making a decision about something important, remember the story that I told you about the ice cream. Make decisions. Successful people make decisions quickly and they change them rarely. Unsuccessful people, it takes them a long time to make a decision and they change them consistently. You be a person who makes a decision and you stick to the decisions that you make, and you'll find out how to make the right ones every time. I'd like you to like this video, share this video, just come to a place to where what you're doing is you're becoming part of this community, and follow me on this channel. I want to know how you can make a better decision. Please help me know this. And until next time, remember, stay focused.